The warmth of life. Your essence is in the dawn that is visible from my lawn. You are the warmth of the burning sand. Your light works like the magic wand. You have surrounded that sun. You have watched me run. You are the energy that's in me. You are the heart of the sky that surrounds me. I have felt you when the sea was warm. In my soul, I have seen you come. You are the warmth of love that symbolizes the dove. You are the heat of anger. You are the affection of the lover. You are the perfection of the weaver. You are the pure soul of the giver. You are the warmth of a mother's palm, the mother who's always calm. You emerge from the darkness. You show the light with utmost tenderness. You increase the life of the child, blowing the birthday candles with pride. You comfort me in the chill when the cold is about to kill.